Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore vocal tuning with Melodyne in post-production, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your digital audio workstation and import the audio track you wish to tune.
Select the track and navigate to your plugin menu. Choose Melodyne from the list of available plugins.
Insert Melodyne onto the audio track. Once loaded, allow Melodyne to analyze the audio.
After analysis, you will see the pitch and timing of the notes displayed as blobs.
Listen to the audio while observing the blobs for any notes that sound out of tune. Select the blobs that need correction by clicking on them. To raise or lower the pitch, drag the blob up or down within the Melodyne interface.
Ensure the tuning feels natural by using small adjustments.
If necessary, adjust the timing by selecting the blob and moving it left or right.
Utilize the pitch modulation feature to refine any vibrato or pitch fluctuations.
Check the settings for formant correction if applicable to preserve the natural character of the voice.
Once done, play the track in its entirety to ensure the tuning adjustments blend seamlessly.
If you are satisfied with the results, navigate to the export option within Melodyne. Export the corrected audio back to your DAW. Overwrite the original track or create a new track with the tuned audio. Finalize any mix adjustments needed after tuning.
Save your project to ensure all changes are retained.
Now you're ready to continue working on your audio project.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.